let's make some beetroot juice, or some people might say beetroot punch. So here I have a pound of beetroot. So today I'm going to use my juicer to extract the juice from the beetroot. If you don't have a juicer, you can use your grater to grate the beetroot, but be mindful that the beetroot bleed, right, and it's stained. So if you want, you could go ahead and put on some gloves, but if you don't mind, you could go ahead and just peel your beetroot and blend or grate as is without using any protective gloves, right? So beetroot have a lot of amazing vitamins and minerals, one of which is to purge or cleanse the blood and the kidney, right? So you want to ensure that you get enough or most of the vitamins from the beetroot. You could extract the juice and just drink it just as is without any sugar, or you could just extract the juice and just add some sugar and some lime juice or some ginger. But today I don't feel like drinking it that way because I've done that several times, right? And to be honest, that's the best way. But today I just feel like if we do it somewhat different, right? So we're just going to extract the juice from the beetroot, and when we're finished, we're going to move on to the next step. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. I have 2 videos uploaded on the channel on how to make the beetroot punch, as well as 2 ways to make a beetroot juice, both with the sugar, lime juice, and so forth, and also adding condensed milk. So I'll put a link in the top right corner, so you guys can just click on the link and you'll be directed to that video. Alright guys, so this is what we got from the juice extraction, right? And it's very rich. The beetroot, very rich. It resembles blood, right? So guys, I know some might have experiences drinking beetroot drink, some of which once you urinate you see that red color in your pee. Yes, it is very good. So it purge out your blood and all the good stuff, right? So you can take it as is by adding some sugar, some lemon or lime juice, and some ginger. That's the best way, but today I'm going to use some milky products. I know some of you going to say, oh, you didn't have to add that and you didn't have to do this, but guys, this is how I prefer to make it today, okay? So I went ahead and added some grated nutmeg. I'm also adding here some vanilla lasco, and I'm also going to add 1 can of supplegen. If you have Ensure, you could go ahead and use your Ensure if you please, or if you have other substitute for the milk, or for the supplegen, you could go ahead and use that. I'm also going to add some salt. You can't leave out your salt. Next, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Guys, I went ahead and add about half cup of water to the beetroot after extracting it because it was very strong, right? And to sweeten, I'm going to use condensed milk. If you guys have honey, you can use your honey. If you don't have any honey, you can use sugar, right? And if you don't want to use the condensed milk, you can use the sugar, granulated sugar or brown sugar, any sugar you please, right? And then we're going to stir to get everything fully combined. You could also go ahead and use some Irish mash, whether the one from the can or make your homemade Irish mash. I had some Irish mash, but it never ready yet, guys, so I couldn't had any Irish mash. But if you have Irish mash, you could go ahead and use that, right? And we're just going to stir, incorporate everything well into our drink. And guys, we just have to get with glass, get some cube of ice, and then we're going to serve. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, comment guys, share the video, and subscribe if you are new and you haven't yet done so, right? Let me know if you enjoyed the recipe and if you'd like to see more punch and natural juice blend. If you like this video, you might want to click on these to enjoy more amazing punch and natural juice blend. Bye bye.